how to say this, that one over there, and which. First of all, you need to know these demonstrative pronouns. Ko, something near to the speaker. So, something near to the listener. A, something far from both speaker and listener. Do, something the speaker doesn't see or know about. Now, when we add these pronouns to re, we get kore, this, sore, that, are, that one over there, dore, which. How to use them? We use these pronouns to say this, that one over there, which thing is. And to make it clear, here are some examples. Kore wa tsukue desu. This is a desk. Kore wa hon desu. This is a book. Kore wa enpitsu desu. This is a pencil, and so on. Sore wa chizu desu. That is a map. Sore wa e desu. That is a picture. Sore wa kutsu desu. That is a shoes, and so on. Are wa kuruma desu. That one over there is a car. Are wa tatemono desu. That one over there is a building. Are wa ginkou desu. That one over there is a bank, and so on. Dore is usually used to form questions. Dore desu ka? Which one? And now, how to form questions using these pronouns. We simply add ka to the end of the sentence. Examples. Kore wa hon desu ka? Is this a book? Kore wa nihongo no hon desu ka? Is this a Japanese language book? Kore wa pen desu ka? Is this a pen? Sore wa nan desu ka? What is that? Sore wa watashi no kutsu desu ka? Is that my shoes? Sore wa anata no mono desu ka? Is that yours? Are wa kuruma desu ka? Is that one over there a car? Are wa anata no ie desu ka? Is that one over there your house? Are wa restaurant desu ka? Is that one over there a restaurant? And as I said before, dore is usually used to form questions. Dore gurai kakarimasu ka? How long does it take? Kaisha wa dore desu ka? Which one is the company? Dore ga watashi tachi no kuruma desu ka? Which car is ours? And finally, how to form a negative sentence using these pronouns. We add janai, ja arimasen to the end of the sentence. Kore wa hon janai, ja arimasen. This is not a book. Sore wa enpitsu janai, ja arimasen. That is not a pencil. Are wa restaurant janai, ja arimasen. That one over there is not a restaurant. Dore is a little bit different. Dore monai and dochi monai are used to form a negative form of a sentence, and both of them can mean not any, not all, not both, none, none of the.